welcome back to my channel. I am the Braiding Nicole. If you are new here, hey, and if you're an oldie coming back for some goodies, then welcome back. And also, if you are new, hit the subscribe button, turn those notifications on so that you will see all the latest videos from me. So as you guys can see, this is a hair video. So this is a review of the OQ hair, their half wig Yaki straight texture. And I must say, I absolutely love this hair. Like, OQ wig did their thing on this hair. Like, it looks like it's mine. It looks like it grew out of my scalp. And this is just what I like my textured hair, because it makes my natural beauty pop even more. Because it just looks like I have long, natural hair. Yeah, like it. But anyway, I will show you guys in this video how I got this look, what the wig looks like, and just me installing this half wig. Now I will tell you that the hair came with a good smell. It did not have an awful smell. It actually smelled pretty good, and it's very soft hair. Like, I could rub my hands through it even when I had just gotten it out of the bag. So this is a pretty good wig, I will say. But stay tuned and watch me achieve this look. And I didn't want to do anything to it yet. So you guys, if you are following me on TikTok, I will be showing y'all ways of how I styled this hair throughout the week when I wear it. So follow me on there if you have not yet. I am the Braiding Nicole on TikTok. Y'all, my Instagram got hacked, so I am not on Instagram right now. It is simply this platform and TikTok. And I also have a Evolve and Exhale Facebook group. If you are on Facebook, you can look that up and follow me there, because soon I will start my Evolve and Exhale series. I'm not going to give y'all too much info on that just yet, but yes, I will be starting my Evolve and Exhale series very soon. So back to this hair. I will be showing you guys me installing this hair and pretty much just straightening it out and getting this natural look. I did not want to go ahead and style it right now, because I do want to wear it like this. I did straighten this out from what it was, and I do want to wear it many different ways, but I was not ready to give it a curl just yet. So that is that. That is why it is just simply in this straight form. So yeah. So you guys, I am combing out freshly washed hair. This is what my natural hair looks like, freshly washed. So I'm about to comb my hair out. It is wet. Combing that out, and we are about to blow dry my hair and give myself some good old braids to the back. I'm using the Chi Iron Guard heat protecting spray before I do go in and blow my hair out. So that is what I'm using first, combing that through my head. And y'all, I absolutely love this hair dryer. I will link it below, and it is also in my Amazon storefront. But blow drying has never been so good with this blow dryer. I absolutely love this blow dryer because it does not take me long to blow dry my hair with this hair dryer. It doesn't take me long at all. And y'all, I am jamming to some 90s R&B. So throughout this entire video, I will be singing, I will be moving, I will be rocking. You will see me in the groove jamming to this 90s music. Cause honey, one thing about it, music is therapy for me. Yeah, music is therapy. So throughout this video, you will see me dancing, trying to dance at that, and just trying to get through this process. The music makes the process go by very quicker and better.
Doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, boy, you speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hit now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, and you know I'm with the thing right now. You say, do I wanna watch you, do I know what time it is right now? After 2 a.m. and that's asking a lot of you. All she talking about is come and see me once. Come and see me once. You don't ever come to me. You don't ever come to me. How she hit me with it? Come and see me once. Come and see me once. Oh, y'all never come to me. Y'all never come to me. Why you gotta start, girl? Why you gotta start? I know we make time for the things that we want. You got another nigga tryna play the part. Just cause he got a heart, don't mean he got a heart. Could be standing in the field and still ain't in the field. If anything should change, then I thought we had a deal. Lately you keep questioning what you get out the deal. Doing things that make me feel the way I make it feel. How hard is it to let you know I'm coming home? That way you could be prepared, maybe take a couple sick days and not miss pay. I don't even know what things are looking like inside of your place. I was decorated. This thing's getting one-sided, I can't even lie to you right now. Yeah. All she talking about is come and see me. Come and see me for once. Don't ever come to me. Don't ever come to me. Yeah. All she hit me with is come and see me once. Come and see me for once. You don't ever come to me. Don't ever come to me.
This is what they say. Pull it up. Dubs on the Cadillac. White tees, Nikes. Gangsters don't know how to act. Atmosphere, big head, college park, harbor home. Hummus smoking home, home, choking on that home bone. They pop their southern cooking, they got them Dallas looking. Thinking I was easy, I can see it. That's when I say no. Shawty can't handle this camera, got that fire like round here we find slow. We keep it good and you should know. Getting drunk off in the club, it gets low. All my ladies to the floor. Handle it, baby, bag it up. Getting drunk off in the club, it gets low. Ready, take a new whip, main strip into a bowling ball. Still smoke, money smoke, wood brick on the wall. Ice skip, big chains, fellas call them black ball. Close cuts, braids, long gangsters, bottom line. They got their southern cooking, they got them fellas looking. Wishing I was easy, I can see it. That's when I say no. Shawty can't handle this era, got that body like round here we ride slow. Keep it good and you should know, you should know. Getting drunk off in the club, it gets low, getting low. Ladies, all my down to the floor. Handle it, baby, bag it up. Yeah, in the club,
Yeah.
get low.
Load up. Okay. There you go. 7,000 don't get wild. Old school's coming down in a different color whip. Picture perfect. You might want to take a flick. Call up Jazzy, tell him pop the bottle, cause we got another hit. Wanna go platinum, I'm who you should get. Ludicrous on the track, get back, trick switch on the lack, I'm flexing steel. Same right every time, hot song dumped on, cause he already got sex appeal. And I keep the meanest, cleanest, baddest, spinning on stainless wheels. Could care less about your genius, I bump your status, I keep the stainless steel. Trunk rattling, what's happening high? I don't even think I need the speed. Bass traveling, kicks crackling high. Turn it up and make the speakers bleed. Dirty South, we ballin', dog. And never think about falling, dog. Ghetto harmonizing, surprising, running back cause the song is called.
Round here we find slow. We keep it good, you should know. Getting drunk up in the club, we get low. All my ladies to the floor. Handle it, ladies back it up. Getting drunk up in the club, we get low. Round here we find slow. We keep it good, you should know. Getting drunk up in the club, we get low. All my ladies to the floor. Handle it, ladies back it up. Getting drunk up in the club, we get low.
So as you can see, I'm finishing up these little straight back braids so the wig can lay right. Nothing too perfect. And also left a little bit of my leave out in the front so that it can blend because it's a half wig. Y'all see, I actually did better than I thought I did on these braids. And this OQ hair kinky straight wig, it has a natural Yaki texture and it blends beautiful with 4B and 4C hair when it's blown out. It comes with combs in the front and the back so it can be very secure. And of course you see it came with some good old goodies, clips, wig cap, and some headbands, extra headbands.
Tell me, should I cut these other girls right out of my life? Cause we never decided. Tell me how you feel inside. You a real ass woman and I like it. Yeah. I need you inspired, I need you excited. I don't wanna fight. Sometimes I'm so indecisive. You're a real ass woman and I like it. I don't wanna fight it.
And this hair blends very well with 4B and 4C hair when blown out. I absolutely love that. And what I'm using was more heat protecting, but this heat protecting is also like a serum, so it will also moisturize and give my hair like a good little shine. Now I am straightening out my leave out to give it a little, so it will just blend in with the hair. I think it'll blend without it being straightened, but I still feel like it needed to be a little more straighter than what it was. Now I'm simply just blending my leave out with the wig, and I love how seamless it looks. You could also throw on a cute headband if you're in a rush or feeling lazy. This hair is full but lightweight, and it moves beautifully. It is such a beginner friendly wig.
So just rain down on me. Let your love just fall like rain, just rain on me. Just rain down on me. Let your love just shower on me. Just rain on me. Full as a dam at capacity.
did not mention that this wig is a 180% density. They also have 250, so I feel like the 180 density holds a lot of hair. So I can't imagine what the 250 density looks like. And it is also 20 inches. Now we are done flat ironing the hair, and it is in its flat iron straight state. And I'm just putting some little layers in front of my head because this hair is super thick. Like my little bitty head, and it's still a lot of hair. And one thing about this hair, it does fluff back out to be big hair, so you will have to keep straightening it out to get this seamless straight look.
Everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari.
Now I'm just going in and doing my edges with the edge control. So if you ever need a go-to protective style that still gives natural vibes, this is it. OQ Hair really did their thing with this texture. It's soft, it's full, and it's easy to manage. So of course I'm feeling it. Of course I'm feeling myself. But thank you guys for watching this video. Let me know in the comments if you rock this half wig or if you have another fave go-to style. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're into soft girl, real life, and everything in between. See y'all on the next one.
Can't focus on me.